Hello everyone. Welcome back to Online Help Guide. Today in this video, I will be showing you how to enable beauty mode in TikTok. So, first, open the TikTok app on your device. Now, tap on the plus icon, located at the bottom of your screen. And, it will open your camera. You can see the face icon, at the right side of your screen. Tap on the face icon. From here, you can choose any option you want, and record your video. That's it. You have successfully enabled beauty mode in TikTok. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful, and you're able to use beauty mode on TikTok. If you like our video, then don't forget to hit the like button on our video and comment down if you have any question or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon to our channel.